Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by linking accounts now. Open Master Duel on the source device and sign into your Konami ID or platform account. Once signed in, go to Settings and choose Account Link. Make sure you authorize the link and verify any email or 2FA prompt. If you see a confirmation code, enter it immediately on the receiving device. This initial link enables cloud transfer, so don't skip verification. It's what allows your progress and purchases to move between devices. Once done with linking, you switch to the target device and sign into the identical Konami ID. This signals the servers to prepare data. Navigate to Account Transfer or Sync in Settings and follow the step-by-step prompts. Choose whether to overwrite local data or merge. Make sure you understand which option keeps local DEX. You'll see a summary of owned cards and purchases. Review it carefully, because accepting starts the actual data copy and can't be undone without enough. You finish by letting the transfer run to completion. Don't force close the app while it syncs. After you get the completion message, inspect your DEX, card collection, purchases, and friends list to ensure everything moved correctly. Re-download any missing assets from the store if needed. If things go wrong, first check your internet and relog the Konami ID, then retry the transfer. If issues persist, gather screenshots and error codes and contact Master Duel support for targeted help.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.